Good morning, world. I hope y'all can see me. It's kind of hard to see myself in the. I've got the sunshine shining across me. I've got that little. Look, there we go. but uh, but how we doing today? Good morning, world. How we doing? I've got a letter I've written to a judge. Now this is for a different case. I was out doing what I do in the small community of Alito where I grew up in. I go out. I usually try to go out on the days that trash is getting picked up, so that I can go through and pick out stuff that really truly isn't trash. That's my way of saving the world, I guess you can say, one piece of trash at a time. If I can't use it, I'll find somebody who can. And it keeps that, at least those particular items, out of the landfills. And it's just my way of giving back, taking my time out to do something, to do something for this world. Well, I got pulled over for no reason whatsoever. And of course, it was I think I've talked about it. It was yeah, matter of fact, y'all saw the video I did where it molested by the Parker County Sheriff's deputies and the Alito tax collecting campus police. Yeah, go check out that video. It's about a minute, a little over a minute long. But I got a ticket for a DWLI, driving while license invalid. Now, I plan, if I'm allowed to, of course, depending on how the county attorney's office and the judge respond to my original motion to dismiss on grounds um, that I'm a traveler, that under common law and under presidents, not presidents, but presidents, law presidents, that we each have a right to travel freely, unmolested on this land, especially if we're doing so safely in our own personal property. Well, I plan on fighting the constitutionality of the driver's license is what I plan on doing, and setting precedent. Hopefully, hopefully, we will see. But I've going to go file a motion for discovery. I've already filed my motion to dismiss on grounds. It hasn't even come up to the pre-trial date yet, so we haven't even heard that motion in court. But I wanted to go ahead and file a motion for discovery, so that I can get all the information. Hopefully, there was some video cameras installed inside the Parker County Sheriff's patrol vehicle, and maybe even in the other Parker County Sheriff's Patrol vehicle that showed up, and hopefully, possibly even the Alito tax collectors campus police patrol vehicle that was right in the middle of it. But I want to read y'all a letter. I'll be brief as much as I can. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show y'all. I've got a new heading for my letters. I'm sure they're going to really appreciate this. But Honorable Judge Lynn Marie Johnson. That's the judge for Precinct 4 over in Willow Park that is going to be hearing my case in court. Um, of course, I give her address, or the address of the court, and regarding the case number, and I say, "Dear Honorable Judge Johnson, greetings and salutations. I truly do hope that you have rung in the new year in a responsible yet most agreeable and enjoyable fashion. I have decided to write to you in order to inform you of my desires and intentions regarding the case I will be enjoying before your most respectable court in the coming months. I plan, if my first motion does not agree with you, of course, that was the motion to dismiss on grounds, to bring before a jury of my actual peers a debate with the prosecuting attorney's office assigned to your court on the constitutionality and common law legality of the unconstitutional and to what I believe to be the legality of the requirement of the people to maintain such an instrument as a driver's license that is solely used to keep tabs on and to vilify, if not maintain, the people of our great nation. Being sworn to uphold the U.S. Constitution, as you have been, I am certain you can agree with such a need, if not completely in agreement with my opinion on the matter. The people, as far as I'm concerned, have been blindly made to believe that such an instrument is a necessary evil, and that in and of itself such an instrument is tantamount to tyrannical and oppressive atrocities brought forth from our governing body, and against the people that prop that governing body up upon their shoulders, and are subsequently controlled and manipulated by the few with such desires to do so. I look so forward to meeting you in court, and I truly hope with all my heart that above all else, justice will be the delicious dish we all crave and enjoy. It ended up being 2 pages. If you ever have any questions and or concerns, please never hesitate in contacting me. I also encourage you to check out my vlogs on the YouTubes. If it does not conflict with your eminent impartiality concerning me and the case I will have before you. Sincerely, Michael, Flipside Dinsmore, of course the Flipside's in parentheses, Creek Native American, traveler, pro se, Aledo High School graduate, Aledo lettering football player, Aledo volunteer fireman, veteran, regular Army, honorable discharge, commendation for UNCJSF, Weatherford Junior College attendee, substitute teacher, Cisco, Texas, felon, business owner, American citizen, staunch constitutionalist, father, grandfather, artist, poet, writer, YouTube vlogger, that's me, world citizen, holder of honesty, honor, and integrity above and beyond reproach, fighter for the people, lover of humanity and the world we all share, believer that human rights trump governmental actions and atrocities perpetrated against and towards the people, steward of this world. And in parentheses, there is no specific order or relevance or importance to my litany of achievements, accomplishments, and or qualifications, which in and of itself is not at all inclusive by any means. Close parentheses. So that was my letter that I'm going to mail out this morning to Judge Lynn Marie Johnson, that's going to be officiating, kind of like the official in a in a football game. It's going to be officiating at the game, which is going to be my trial. I don't know. I think pretrial date's set sometime mid-February. And of course, it all depends on how they want to play the game. They may possibly just decide, oh, we don't want to play this game. We don't want to give him a voice. We don't want him to show the people and set precedent on how unconstitutional the driver's license really is. And we may just dismiss. I don't know. I have no idea what they're going to do. I hope and hope and hope and hope that they allow me my day in court, because I'm going to have some fun. Yes, sirree, Bob. I'm going to have some fun. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and you fine people out there, I truly do love each and every one of you, truly, deeply from my heart. Carpe diem, and as always, catch you on the flip side. Ha ha!